kid, I've looked up to a lot of you for my entire life. So I want to say thank you to you guys for
Why people hate JoJo Siwa. With more than 12 million followers and total views of over 3 billion to her YouTube channel, it's JoJo Siwa. Joelle Joni Siwa, or simply known as JoJo, is one of the youngest stars in America, included in Time's annual list of the 100 most influential people of the world in 2020. This 17-year-old is already a sensation, but some of this celebrity sensation has also been for reasons she might not want to be linked with. So today we're going to have a look at the top reasons why people hate JoJo Siwa. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Celeb Central. You don't want to miss this exclusive coverage as we take a glimpse at the troubles of a young pop star. So make sure you stay till the end, as you will be totally shocked to know about the top reason behind this hatred. Let's begin. Number 4. Massive bow obsession. Now we all know about this. JoJo has a massive bow obsession. Almost all her videos and public appearances have her hair up in a bow. Not just a bow, this is a big bow. When asked about it, she confessed that she absolutely loves bows. She said that she has no patience for haters and knows just how to respond. In recent videos she shared on social media while quarantining, the 16-year-old YouTube star has been abandoning her signature rainbow look while wearing clothing more typical of a teenager. Apparently, she's received comments about her new look that made her decide to issue a response. She said that she knows that she has been hated on for years for dressing young and acting childish, and added that people think she is changing, and she laughed it off saying, "LOL, nope." Breaking off into dance moves, she adds that she loves the way she is, and this is just her night, or in the morning. Celebs accessorize. Lady Gaga has her themes. Katy Perry has her outfits. JoJo has her bows. JoJo took her obsession to the next level by launching her own line of bows. She made her obsession impressionable for her fans. That's not bad, right? But the problem here is that her fan base is kids, mostly adolescent girls and teenagers. In a world rampant with consumerism, her bows are not even the tip of the iceberg, but on the society as a collective, this has caused issues. For one thing, the bows are not cheap, so that makes it a rich thing. Kids not able to afford them have been reported to be bullied and left out of groups. The other being, are we ready to target the kids? Barbie dolls did this in the 90s, but times have changed. Schools protect kids in the 21st century. A teenage kid running her business when she should be in school definitely does not send the right message. Number 3. Bully for a bully. It has been often reported that JoJo stands up against bullying, and it has even been witnessed her giving it back to trolls and other bullies. But her vlogs, where she states that she is just a normal 15-year-old kid, depicts a different picture. She treats her parents, her brother, and her dogs like trash. She forces everyone to do what she says and acts all innocent about it after it happens. Like, she acts like nothing happened. The most annoying part is that she's always telling everyone to be kind to everyone and wear JoJo bows. Maybe this is all a publicity piece, scripted to gain the required traction, but one can't deny the fact that it will affect her fans. Most of her fans are young kids who almost idolize her, from wanting her bows to every other merchandise on her catalog. These young kids are sent the wrong message on how to treat people. Moreover, the conflicting messages she sends through her songs like Boomerang, which addresses her bullying, and on the other hand she herself acts like a bully to her family. Not to forget she's the youngest in the family, so probably gets the leverage. But at this age, they need to be more careful than her, and must be willing to put it across to her when she's wrong. There have been times she's not been open to constructive criticism, and waves off questions put to her in this regard, as that's her natural self, and that she is not changing for anyone else, especially critiques. What makes it more sad is the fact that she does not even see it as a mistake, or that she's doing anything wrong. The typical entitled kids of the 21st century, where they think that everybody and everything should be according to their wishes. Number 2. Spoiled, rude, and doesn't act her age. This one is right up there, and in fact, many celebrities have been known for being spoiled and rude. Many videos have surfaced online with evidence that JoJo acts childishly and throws tantrums. Some of this can also come down to the fact that every aspect of her life is being filmed, unlike an average kid. Being on camera so much can also add on to the pressures. In September 2020, The Guardian columnist Emma Brox came out with an article which criticized modern parents for exploiting their kids on YouTube for some easy money and fame. The basic theme in all of her YouTube videos is bragging. That means she's basically flexing, and is in turn teaching kids to be obnoxious and talk loud. It is one thing to throw your weight around when you're an established star, but when you're a budding artist, it's an entirely different story. At an impressionable age, it becomes all more difficult, and with everything coming up on social media, it can negatively impact her career. While we've been told that there's no such thing as bad publicity, everything is good publicity. But these little things can bring a lot of misunderstanding and put pressure on the artist. Production houses and directors these days do their homework on the past of an artist before signing them up. Yes, it does seem hypothetical to tell her to act a certain way according to the norms of the society, when everywhere in this society we hear be yourself and act the way you want to. But at her age, her parents should be playing a more central role in her daughter's upbringing and not the agents and managers. In an interview with her fans, that is the kids, there were several instances when skipped questions asked by fans, and a few times she gave a conflicting reply. It is unsettling when someone so influential starts acting like a toddler with above-average speech. Number 1. High-end merchandise. While her career took off, JoJo also decided to market her line of clothing, bows, and other merchandise. As every other upcoming star is doing these days, they want to cash in on the fame before it's too late. But then she came out with so many products which had gone completely overboard and include puzzles, dolls, Christmas stockings, and much more. Bows usually cost from $7 to $10. Her Mattel dolls are about $13, and her singing dolls cost $23. Her My Life as dolls cost $70 and tickets for her concert cost from $60 to $200. It's ridiculous. Her bows found a strong following among primary school pupils in the United Kingdom. They were ultimately subject to ban as teachers discovered that students unable to afford the bows, which retail for approximately 8 to 12 pounds each, were bullied by their peers. Other reasons these schools gave for bans were distraction, harmed students' concentration, and violated the school's dress code policies. Due to the bow's price and popularity, some stores began selling similar homemade bows. One of the latest controversies JoJo landed into recently was in January 2021, when Spin Master created a card game called JoJo's Juice, which contained questions about nudity and theft, despite being marketed towards children aging 6 and older. Siwa later apologized and claimed she was not involved in the game's content development. The game was recalled from all toy store shelves. With so many products on her list, and most of them focused at kindergarten children, JoJo is indeed promoting grassroots consumerism. Somebody should put the brakes on this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button to get updates on our latest videos. And while you're here, go ahead and check out one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.